गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. आज आपण इंग्लिश शांतिशीघ्र लघुगती डिक्टेशन घेणार आहोत. 18 वर्ड पर मिनट. रेडी? बी स्टार्ट. पेरोल अकाउंटिंग was the first commercial area to become widely computerized. The calculation of wages or salaries involves a number of variable but common factors which relate to the personal details of each employee, such as gross power rate for the job, tax code, national insurance, etc. Para. These facts are retained on backing store together with information which accumulates. Para. Each time the payroll is run, such as pay to date and tax deducted for the years, hours worked, overtime, and any other information relating to the pay package being proceed forms the input data for the particular run. The program contains formula for calculating all the deductions to arrive at net pay. It will also build up records of tax to date, pay to date, etc. It compute these details, prepares a wages slip for the employee, and writes updated information on the backing store for future use before moving on to consider the next employee. All this is integrated into one payroll system which may be made up of a number of related programs. They are not programs necessarily involving lengthy or complicated calculations, but they save a considerable amount of repetitive manual effort. Para. If payment is made in cash, a program can include an analysis to calculate the exact number of notes and coins of each denomination required for the total pay out and or each individual wage packed. Another program might print out checks to the individual bank account of each employee. Files generated by payroll are frequently enlarged to include such additional information as length of service, qualification, training, attendance, sickness, and faction records, thus providing comprehensive personal records. The overall payment system with attendant personal details and records may comprise then or even several hundreds of different though related programs. Collectively, they form a package or a number of packages. A package may be a standard software development for a particular range of computers. स्टॉप. तर मित्रांनो, व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक, शेअर, कमेंट आणि सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका आणि शेजारीच बेल आयकॉन आहे ते प्रेस करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू.